Hey guys, it's me again, Drew, and today I just wanted to show you if you've already solved your cube and you don't want to, if you've already solved your 2x2 or something, you don't want to have to scramble and solve it all again. And here's a solution to play with it and to scramble and solve at the same time. So first move is up, and then go to the side, just the sideways, and then go down. And the same side, up, sideways, down, sideways, up, sideways, down, sideways, up, sideways, down, sideways, up, sideways, up, down, sideways, and then you solved it back again, like here. See, I solved it all. There you go, guys. And this also works on a 3x3, but it's harder to learn. I just wanted to say that. So, and I will be posting I'll be posting about 4 o'clock today because my brother's birthday party. I'm gonna film with my friend. He's coming over to the party, and we'll film some with him. Maybe do some live stream duos and battle ends. And so yeah, guys. All I can say is subscribe, like the video, comment, and turn the post notifications on. I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel, to my family's channel, because we really need subscribers. And so, Drew, signing out.